All right, this is the brand new off the press Baileigh power hammer. Now this is the little brother, the more affordable, to the multi-hammer, which is the monster. And this is actually a pretty monster tool itself. It's got a lot of versatility. You can do all kinds of beading and doming and shrinking functions, but you've got a lot more manageable footprint that you can actually use in something that's a lot more affordable. We did a lot of shrinking with a thumbnail die. They've got a nice little small thumbnail die. Uses all the same dies that they use on their big multi-hammer. So at that point, let's show you some doming, and I think after that maybe we'll show you some beading. So you just flip on the switch, pull it up just for giggles. One of the things I really like about this machine is it's got a good solid base. If you look down here, it's got a square thread. That square thread allows you to really push down on it, keep it good and solid without moving. In order to change the die, you loosen the set screw here. This is clamping that thread. Pull that out, loosen it up. Pull her down, quick release pin, pull that out. Get someone to throw you the other die. Thank you. Now we're going to put in a beading die and show you how that works. You ready for some beading? Ooh la la. Look how nice and straight that is. Now, one of the great things about this is that you can lower in the middle of the panel with the quick release. Whereas a lot of these, you have to screw from the bottom. There's no way to get something in the middle of the panel. So like on this one, I can start my bead in the center if I want. There you go. Change out your die. And then the nice thing on this one too, it's got it. First time.